Hello everybody, how you guys been doing, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. And in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can unban your Tinder account. Alright, so let's say for some reason like your Tinder account got banned, but this is only gonna work if your Tinder account got banned by mistake. If you did something that violates Tinder's policy or rules, you can unban your Tinder account anyway. Alright, this is only for those people who got their account banned for no reason or for a mistake reason. Alright, so follow the step. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, one step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. Let's move on. First step, you want to go to your browser and search for Tinder support. Once you search for Tinder support, you can click on the first option where it says submit a request. Once you click on it, it's gonna take you to Tinder's request submitting page. Over here you can see what can we help with. Under that, click on it and choose trouble with account login. Once you see the option, click on it. Once you click on it, it's gonna show you what's going on. You want to click on the arrow again and click on can't log in, my account was banned. Once you click on it, scroll a bit down, and where it says your email address, you need to enter your email address. Now if you know your email address which you used with your Tinder account, you can enter that's better. But if you don't know that email address, you can enter another one as well, doesn't matter. You just need to enter your email address over here. Alright, so I'm gonna enter my email address over here. After enter your email address, enter your phone number. You can enter your phone number which is linked with your Tinder account, but if you don't have a phone number linked with your Tinder account, you can just enter your mobile number over here. Alright, so after enter your mobile number over here, where it says description, you want to write this, or you can also write your own description, but this is according to me. Alright, if you don't know what to write, you can write this: hey, my Tinder account got banned for no reason, can you help me recover it, or give me a valid reason on why you decided to ban it. And where it says add file, you can click on it and add a screenshot of the warning showing your account was banned. But if you don't want to include a screenshot, you don't have to. Alright, click on submit at the bottom. Once you click on it, this report will be submitted and Tinder will see it, and they'll reply to you on your mobile or on your email, whichever email you typed over here, and they're gonna help you recover your account. But if your account was banned for a valid reason, they're not gonna. Alright, and they're gonna give you a valid reason on why they decided to ban it. But yeah, this is the only way you guys can unban your Tinder account. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.